Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Yeah, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I hope everyone is doing great. Yeah, yesterday we had some serious news. CPI, which was like actually going up, and you know when CPI is going up, obviously we know that dollar is going to gain some momentum, and anything that is going to go that's going against USD, mostly they suffer. We saw that on NASDAQ and the other ones, gold, everything actually. So, but that is actually that whatever that was happening is not actually done. That is not actually done. Next week, as we speak here, next week we still on Wednesday, same day actually, there is interest rates for US. And remember, we trade most of the time we trade in NASDAQ. So it means since everyone is expecting the market to, since everyone is expecting the rates to go up, I think this week is gonna be difficult for us just to say we're gonna stay seriously long in the market. The market might be selling or consolidating because no one actually knows how much they're going to increase with. But I'm telling you, here they show us that they might increase with 50 basis points. If they surprise us, if they give us something bigger, yeah, we're going to see the NASDAQ and the whatever starting to go lower, especially when CPI was crazy yesterday. You see, we thought maybe consumer prices, they're going to go down, but you know what? Sheesh. They're still pushing up, which means they're going to fight. They're going to fight the inflation. And obviously, they're going to increase with bigger with bigger basis points, which I don't know currently, but we will see next week. But don't be surprised when you see the market going up and down, volatility, when the market doesn't really respect your structures and stuff like that. It's because everyone is expecting some biggest news actually in the market. So I told you that. Don't say you don't know. Now you know, right? So let's just go straight on the analysis without actually taking a long time. But before we do that, we have to eat. We have to go to Central sponsors this video or stream. Traders Central provides funding for traders and recently introduced a pop-up shop on their platform that allows you to purchase packs like to skip stage 1 or 2 on your challenge, 50% commission reduction, a deeper drawdown percentage. Sign up now using the link in the description to get up to 30% off on your first plan and enjoy the pop-up shop. Okay, thank you very much. So guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Now what we see on Bitcoin is, yes, you still remember this thing. This downtrend has been here for quite some time now. The color is black. Okay. This resistance has been here for quite some time now, and we see that yes, the market is actually bleeding. And you know what? Yesterday also the market did change that. We can go closer and try to see what was actually happening. I think if this can be here, maybe it will be much better. So you will see that yes, the market, the market was trying, by the way, the market was trying to push the upside. Guess what? This resistance denied that and say, you know what, you're not going anywhere. Then we saw the market selling. So it means now we can say, okay, it's fine. This thing can be here. So now it's like we're expecting the market to push lower again, especially when next week they're going to increase the rates. But something maybe that might not move the way we think. We might say they're going to increase the rates, but the market might act in the opposite direction. We know that. We can say, oh, the market will sell, but the market might not do that, because the market maybe is not really surprised with whatever that they're going to do. Already the market is aware of that. So you just have to understand that also, that sometimes the market won't just follow the figures as people. They are not actually surprised. They expect them to increase the rate. So it means it's not going to create much of a panic. But even if maybe we have those sell or maybe recoveries, they're not going to be crazy. you see. So yeah, but on Bitcoin, yes, we can see that the market is still going down. Very nice. Unless if the market breaks this resistance, we can say yes, the market is about to get out, but now it's still on that downtrend. So let's push the next one, which is German 30, German. What's really happening on German 30, guys, or German 40? We are still on that downtrend. Yes, as I preached it yesterday, but I forgot actually to give us a nice trade yesterday because we were focusing on NASDAQ, but the market was still here, obviously. So what's really happening here is we are still on this downtrend. The market yesterday was trying to go very closer to the resistance, even though it did not actually reach there, but we can see that yes, the market did go closer to that area. Guess what? The market after this area started to push lower, which means it was actually correlating with whatever that was happening in the US. So unfortunately, we did not get it there. Obviously, I'm not going to jump it here. If maybe it breaks this area, it's where I can get it. Maybe it can reach this area as a support. Or maybe I will just wait for a structure, a nice structure that maybe might happen, and see what we can do, because we don't really fight the market. We're not gonna win if we fight the market, you see. So yeah, I hope you understand this. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We're still bearish on German. So we are on gold now. Gold. Actually, I like what I see on gold, as it respected whatever that we had before here. You can see that, yes, I've been talking about this downtrend. Oh, yeah, I've been talking about this downtrend here. And I think this thing is drawn by my student, I think. Yeah, one of my students was here. So yeah, but this is perfect, by the way. So I see that, yes, the market is still going down. The market is still going down, and which we call that downtrend. That's why we saw the market going around this area. Sometimes you can panic and say, oh, maybe the market will break that. We also think about that. And then guess what? As long as the market is not breaking anything, it's not breaking our resistance, we know very well that no, the market might be playing games, and maybe the market will be selling. And we saw that, and now we gaining very much. Obviously, everyone in the group did it because this signal was sent in the group. If you want to be part of the team, you saw the packages. You can see the package, and now I'm making that special actually. 12 months subscription. Actually, this will come with a robot. We have a robot group, actually, and a robots group where I'm going to support indicators and auto trading robots. If you join that, I'm also going to add you in a different group where I'm going to give them the support for the whole year, or it's actually unlimited. I never said it's 12 months or something. I mean on the robot side. So, and maybe you can watch the video if maybe you did not see that. So what's really happening? Yes, we did take that sell and we smashed it. We did smash that. You can see the market is going down, but obviously we out. They are out. They ate nicely, and you see that we were waiting for that. Since the market did not break, obviously we knew that, oh, maybe the market will respect that and continue with the sell. Right? Why? But it was simple because already we knew that we were on a downtrend. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is USOIL, which is doing some crazy moves. We thought maybe USOIL was going to go up yesterday, but guess what? Dollar was way too stronger. Then that did not actually reach our order. So what's really happening here is, yes, we are still on this downtrend. We were on this downtrend, but it seems like the market is coming back. Let me just use maybe 2 hours time frame, just for someone to see what's really happening. So let me remove this. I don't really want this to confuse. Fuck. I forgot, guys. I forgot to change. I forgot to change. So it's fine. I don't know if maybe I did cover something on gold. So let me just try to explain that quick. So because I don't know if maybe I did cover this or not, but it's fine. So what's really happening here on gold is, Yes, the market is doing what? The market is going down. Yes, we did take that sell, and the market was actually respecting what? The market was actually respecting this downtrend, and we continued with that. If I did not maybe mention that, obviously now you see that. So let's go back on oil, because I thought maybe that was on the screen, but it was not. So now we are on US oil, US oil, US oil. We do mistakes, guys. We are humans also. What we see is, yes, the market was actually on this downtrend before the market breaks out and start to push the upside. But you know what? The market tried to play some games, the news, geopolitical news all over the place. And it seems like, guess what? The market actually is now trying to push the lower side. And the market actually, if maybe I can draw this further, you will see that maybe the market will respect this area, or maybe the market will just continue, you see. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw something, a barrier line that we can say, you see this area, if maybe the market goes below that, if the market will not respect that area, we have something also here. If the market doesn't actually break this area here, we're not going to sell. But if it breaks, obviously it means we're going back on that sell, then we're going to continue with the sell. But maybe there's a chance for the market to do what? To bounce back. But we will see that. We will see that if it bounces back, yes, we can continue to buy, because it seems like maybe the market reacted like this because of CPI. And yeah, maybe because of CPI, you see. Maybe the market will then bounce back again. I hope you understand that. But if you go closer again, you can give yourself some, if you know, for those who know, actually they know, you can give yourself something like this and say, if maybe for me to buy, I can draw something like this, a resistant line there. The market is creating a very nice resistant line there. And say, you know what, if maybe the market is gonna, let me remove this. I don't really want to confuse you guys. Let me remove this. If maybe the market goes above that resistance, I'm gonna do what? I'm going to say that it's a very nice buy for me. You see, you can say, and then maybe we can have something here. It's where the market respected, and say, you know what, now I have something like this. This is 1 hour, by the way. Maybe the market might come here and bounce back here, so that you don't just buy on this wedge. The market just created this type of a wedge. So if you want to buy, you can say, let me wait for the market to break this area, then I can say I will jump on that buy. Or maybe when the market goes below that support area, you can say, okay, I will sell below that. Those are the rules that can help you to get the right trades. Because sometimes the market will always confuse us, guys. The market is not here to play games with us. So the market has to, obviously, it's a must for the market to confuse. So if you think the market will play games with you, the market is not here to play games. Yeah, so what's really happening on US30? US30. I think, yes, US30 yesterday, it pushed lower. What? Seems like it's still making sense. Or we did not draw our trans line nicely. Okay. So yesterday, the market actually did push lower, especially because, you know, CPI was, as I preached about this for the whole week, the market actually, CPI is very strong. And we saw the market pushing. Guess what? Within few hours, then the market was dropping, selling. And guess what? We had a buy pending order, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I think we have a buy pending. We had a buy pending order on this area, and the market did not follow our direction, and we just saw the market starting to go lower, and because there was some news. But remember, it's not really safe to trade during the news. It's very dangerous. Yes, sometimes you can make money. But it's not like maybe you knew where the market was going to go. Especially when you don't know the figures that they're going to release, you see. So we just need to understand and just to have discipline. So what's really happening is, yes, the market actually showed us that the market is actually still going down, but we have an area where the market found a support a few days ago. So we'll see if maybe the market will break that. If it breaks that, it means we can continue with that sell. Or maybe the market will continue pushing up around this area. Maybe the market will find another area to give us another sell. But currently, I don't see any maybe buy opportunity. Yes, it's a support, but on a downtrend, which means this support we're supposed to ignore it and focus on the resistance, as we expecting the market to go down, to go lower, right? So that we can short the market. Now the market can try to recover, it's fine. But we know, since we have the news, the biggest news next week, that is going to be something else. There is going to be some serious, stuff going on. So what do we see on NASDAQ? NASDAQ and US30, they all actually creating some very quite similar moves. So what do we see here is, yes, the market actually is creating something. I can't say this is perfect, but I'll have to draw that there, because, or I'll just do it like this. Yeah, it's fine, like something like this, just for us to see what's really happening. So what we see here is, yes, the market is actually doing what? The market did sell actually yesterday. And let me remove that. The market did sell actually yesterday, and which means when we said the market was downtrending before, actually we were not wrong, but the market created this crazy move just to confuse everyone. Then after the market is selling, yes, we did have a buy pending order which wasn't in our favor. Later on, you know what, later on the market we were live, I sent the sell pending order. Then that was triggered, and I told the people to hold. And if you did hold, give me fire emoji there. If you did hold that position, maybe up to later on, maybe you did not wait for the market to reach this area, but maybe you waited for the market to reach like 50% in the middle of where we said maybe it will be our take profit. You see, so yeah, guys, I'm still actually bearish on NASDAQ. I think the market might keep pushing lower and lower. The way we see it now, it seems like the market will keep pushing lower and lower. And as we expect interest rates to go up, I think maybe we're gonna go back to our 11, let's say 1100. The market might go back to that area and give us something there. You see, we might still have this sell for the market to reach this area, or maybe the market will just try to create this nice downtrend, something like this, and go lower like that. We don't know currently, but what we know is we have a support area. If it's broken, we can continue with the sell, or maybe the market will try to push up, and if maybe it pushes up, we will pay like serious attention to that area, so that we can able to do what? So that we can able to sell. You see, so I think this video is already long, guys. If you want a robot, trading robot, auto trading, it's $150. It's limited for only 30 people. Then you can also watch the other previous video that I did today. Actually check about that, then maybe you'll understand one or two things. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye bye. I will see you tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, before the market opens. Right? Yeah.